Unboxing the Corsair Dominator RAM. This is the next generation of their Dominator RAM. If you want to check it out, Amazon links below, but let's unbox this. The packaging here is great. DDR5, really cool looking RGB, and great packaging, but we expect all of that from Corsair at this point. Let's get it open. Opening that up, you get a little safety compliance information, and then you get your 2 sticks. Now I got 2 sticks of 32 gigs because I'm putting 128 gigs in my PC. So this is the black. I believe you can also get it in white. Let's pop this out. Now, obviously the RAM is always very high quality from Corsair. So personally, I've never had a problem with Corsair's RAM. It's always top notch and I just would not worry about that. So in here, we're gonna have RGB elements from that side and then also this top, which I think is really cool. They black it out, so it only really glows when it's on, but there's a strip all the way down here, and it does say Corsair right there, which is really, really cool. Then on obviously this side, it's all blacked out. This side doesn't have a bunch of like crazy stickers on it, just this little one, which I still think looks really classy. And then we have a little bit more branding right there. Very cool. All of this is metal. This entire piece, it's all metal. You also have hex screws in there, so seemingly you might even be able to take this off. Which is very cool. But yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot more to this. It's extremely high-end RAM. It's very expensive, but it is DDR5. This one is clocked in at 6,000 mega transfers. It is 30, 36, 36, and 76 for the timings. So yeah, overall, if you want some of the nicest looking RAM, I do believe personally, just from a taste perspective, this is the best looking RAM in the industry right now. So the last generation of the Dominator RAM, I actually have in this PC right here, and you can see that has those dots. Now, honestly, I do really love that. That is a really cool design, but there's no question that this is a cleaner design, and I think a lot of people will really like that for their builds. I'm currently building a Fractal Design North case, and you can see that's how 2 sticks look in the case without any RGB on. But let's stick the other ones in there right now. And that's how it looks with all of the RAM sticks in there. And then obviously we're gonna have all the glowing on the side. I'm really excited to get this turned on because I think between each of these slits right here is gonna be glowing between them because of that side RGB, which I think is probably just gonna look absolutely phenomenal. I'll insert a clip right here of how these look with the RGB on. Also, the exposed hexagon screws, I think just look so freaking good. But again, if you wanna check out the new Dominator RAM, there are Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. But this was Consumer Tech Review High Speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.